Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's February 23rd. Just a couple items here. We'll start off with the Case-Shiller Home Price Index for the month of December. So back in November, we had a 5.7 year-over-year appreciation, and basically stayed at the same thing from December to December. We had 5.7% increase in overall appreciation of home prices that this index covers, which covers basically the 20 largest markets in the U.S. here. A little disappointing here is the consumer confidence here. As you can see, we had a 97.8 on their index. Forecast was supposed to be kind of in that range at 97.2, and it dropped all the way down to 92.2. So obviously people weren't feeling as rosy about where things are at in February as they did the previous month. So something we want to keep an eye on that. Sometimes these are kind of leading indicators as to possible recession, so we'll want to keep an eye on that type of index here. And we got the existing home sales, so a little better for this month. We had 5.45 million existing home sales in the month of December, and the forecast supposed to dip down to about 5.3, and it went up to 5.47, so it went the opposite direction. So nice overall numbers. On the housing side, good numbers, but unfortunately consumers weren't feeling as rosy, so kind of mixed bag of news today. Stock market's down. Dow is down over 100 so far this morning. We got some earnings reports that came out along with the data. Also, there were some comments made by Iranian official over there talking about the oil. This is regards to oil, basically saying that there's been trying to pull back on the possible cuts in production and oil price. And Iran just got their sanctions lifted, so they lost a lot of market share and are trying to go ahead and regain some of that market share. And for them to want to pull back, it's kind of, to them, it would be a bit absurd. They're trying to get back to pre-sanction levels. So they kind of weren't too much for. They didn't agree with it. Basically, is what it comes down to. Trying to cut back. Bond market, we are up about 3 basis points. As you can see, we are now touching the 10-day moving average. So we'll have to kind of wait and see if we can get that bump upwards. We do got data later this week that could potentially help us out here, but right now it looks like we're going this sideways pattern, which is not giving us not too much fluctuation in the interest rate. So interest rates, as you can see over the last week, have been going more or less in a sideways pattern, which basically means we haven't really had much fluctuation in the interest rates this week over the past week. Alright, so not enough really for a change of interest rates with 3 basis points, but at least it's a good start going forward that maybe you can get a springboard going upwards. Alright, you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.